how to download and install WhatsApp mobile application. Hey everyone, in this guide we'll walk you through how to download and install the WhatsApp mobile application step by step. This works both on Android and iPhone, so let's get started. So if you're on Android, you can head over to Play Store application for that, and we can directly go ahead and open up the search bar by tapping it on the bottom right corner. Now in the top we can type in WhatsApp Messenger, type in WhatsApp and hit enter, and it will give you the result. We need to download this one right here from WhatsApp LLC. So tap on it and you'll be finding an option called install direct. So go ahead and tap on that option called install, and after you do so you can wait for the download to be completed. It may take about some seconds depending upon your internet connection, and while this is happening you can just head over and like our video and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and wait for the WhatsApp application to be downloaded in your device as well, like this right here. Now once it is done, you can directly open up the application, tap on open to open it up, and if you have not entered your phone number, you can enter your phone number and verify using the OTP. And once you've done that, also give the necessary permissions such as contact and media permissions. So hold it up and go to their info, and within their info section go over, look out for the option called permissions, and go ahead and give the contacts and media permissions specially. Tap on contacts, tap on allow, and similarly for media as well, tap on it and look out for allow and give access, and also set your name and profile photo, and now WhatsApp is ready to be used on your Android phone. And if your WhatsApp is not downloading, check your internet connection, make sure you have enough storage, and also update your Play Store or App Store, and you can restart your phone. But that's it. Now you've successfully downloaded and installed WhatsApp on your mobile phone. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like, subscribe for more tips and tutorials.